Okay, I think I've started recording this video. I don't know. I'll just check. Okay. Hopefully, this is recording. All right. I'll be very slow and possible so you guys can literally understand everything I'm going to explain on this video. You see, drawing the right support and resistance level is literally the most important part of trading, and 90% of traders fail miserably at it. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how to find and draw the perfect support and resistance zone so that you can stop drawing incorrect zones, incorrect support and resistance zones that are causing you to lose multiple trades and stay an unprofitable trader. So if you are excited for this video, just give it a like and then let's hop right into it. Okay, as you can see on my screen now, I always tell most of the students that I've had the privilege to mentor over the past years, I always tell them that support and resistance zone is not a line. It's not a line. It's actually a zone. Majority of the time, I usually use line on my charts. Probably that's why most of you all think, okay, it's cool to use the line. You see, one thing about the line is you really need to have a lot of experience in the market in order for you to start drawing your support and resistance zone as a line. So it's a zone. Okay, so talking about support and resistance, see on the left-hand side here, what I have here is a zone. This is like, okay, explaining what is support. Support is actually basically like a floor that is supporting the price chart to move upward. And resistance is just like a ceiling. I believe that is the most simplest way to explain it for a lot of newbie traders to understand. Support is like a ceiling. If you as a human, you are standing, what is above you is the ceiling and what is below you is the floor. So basically what supports you from the below is the floor. What is resisting you to see through the sky or anywhere through the roof is actually the roof. Once you get to pass that roof, you have to wait for the market to create another roof and then use that as a floor. So basically this level right here, if you can see, I'm using this zigzag line as the price chart. And this right here is a support level. So just because the market tested here so many times, that does not mean that it has actually changed or there's something about it. It only proves that this support level right here is a strong level. Same thing with the downwards movement. If the market is trading on this particular zone here, and then it's refusing to break out of it, it does not prove that, oh, probably because the market is touching here a little bit or touching here a little bit, it's changing. There's a breakout. That does not prove just anything. It only shows that this level would actually act as a strong uh, support and resistance. And basically, I always tell any newbie trader or anyone coming into the forex market that the higher the time frame, the stronger your support and resistance level. The higher your time frame. Most traders will want to go into the 15 minutes time frame to start looking for major swing highs and lows, which is support and resistance level. But that's not it. I only draw my support and resistance, strong support and resistance level from the daily and probably the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour and daily time frame. But it just does not matter where you are looking at it from, as long as you are on a higher time frame. You get. So this right here, the market touches here multiple times, making us see that, okay, this is a strong resistance level and this is a strong support level. Now, if there's a breakout, there's a there's a higher chance that if after a breakout, there will be a pullback, because the market actually moves in waves and not a straight line. It moves in a zigzag wave and not a straight, and not just a straight single line. No. So when you see a pullback, be patient enough to identify that, okay, the market is creating a new resistance level here. Now let's wait for the support or the breakout again to look for support and resistance. And the reason you are having this other chart here is to tell you that the market does not have to test a particular support and resistance level multiple times to enable you know that, oh, this is a support or this is a resistance. It can just happen that it's a one move, like push face, pull back, and then we'll start getting maybe either a breakout to the low side or break above to the higher side to continue. It just does not matter. It just does not matter how many times it touches, as long as you are on that higher time frame and you are seeing the major moves in the market, then you are good to go. So let's dive into the chart and find our major support and resistance level. So for this support and resistance level on the chart, I love GBP JPY. GBP JPY is probably my most favorite pair. Though I don't have a favorite pair, I trade a couple of pairs, but GBP JPY has been my favorite pair over the years. I think I even have a tattoo of GBP JPY engraved in my body. So on this chart, on this price chart, let's just do with the current market price. Because if I say, let me go back into this, it will be like, okay, okay, we can actually do this and also do the current market price. So previously, as you can see on this is GBP JPY on the daily time frame. So in order for us to spot the support and resistance level on this particular pair, you have to see what we actually drew out from the picture part of this explanation. You see, we have a high here, which serve as a resistance level. Then, where did this whole move start from? It started from this candle wick here. From the week, I usually draw, if I want to draw my zone, I usually don't draw it from probably maybe the week, or I draw it from the week to the first body. So the first body on this market here was, I think this was the most recent body that caused this whole week. So let's draw it from the body down to the week, then extend it to the future. So on this pair right here, we can see we have a resistance level and a support level. So in order for us to get a new support and resistance level, we want to see the market actually trading above our resistance level. You see, we got a breakout here. This is just a mere breakout. We want to see the market move out of that zone and come back. That was the what I explained to you in the past just now, that the market don't just move in a straight line. It moves in waves. So if you get a breakout, wait for a proper move from that structure, like the market should move and then come back to tell you that, okay, this is the pullback. So on this time frame here now, we see from this move, we had a huge momentum move to the upside, which was around here. This was now our new resistance level. This was still our support level. Since we got a new high, the market pulled back into this level right here. Let's indicate the level right here. The market pulled back into this level right here. Remember, we have our support level here. This was the support level that caused this whole push down to this upside. Then we are waiting for the pullback. The market pulled back down till this level right here. Then from this level, it started another push phase and created a breakout on this level. So now we have a new high. Since we now have a new high here in this market, this low, this previous high and this low would no longer be important to us. Let's remove it. So now, what do we see? We have our new resistance level and support level. And then we see the market trading back into this level, creating a lot of range inside of this level. And then the market broke out again, creating a new resistance level here. If this is our resistance level right here, where is the support that caused this whole move? It started all the way from here. It was not here. It was not here. It was not here. It was not here. The whole move started around this zone. If you see, the market tried to come up onto this level. It did not. Instead, it pushed down, tried again, it pushed down before it actually broke out. So this was not the move that started it. This was the whole move. Let me make it clear to you guys. From this level now, the market created a push face till this level, then came down to this level and created a push face again, and then pulled back till this level. So from this pullback, this was where buyer stepped in and started pushing the market, pushing, pushing, pushing until we got a proper breakout here. So where did this move start from? It started from here. So this will now be our new support level. We don't want to work with this anymore because we already have a breakout. So this would now be the new support level right here. Let me just remove the zigzag. So this would not be our new support level. This would not be our new resistance level. So in order for us to determine a new resistance level again in the market, we have to see the price breakout and move. So on this zone, the market actually broke out and moved and created a new high around here. So from this new high, where would not be our support? Our support level would not be around here because this was where the move started from and created this high. So from this point to this point, GBP JPY is still very bullish until probably we get a violation to know that, okay, this market wants to actually start selling. So let me remove this and go to the current market to explain support and resistance properly. Okay, as you can see on this current market now, the market is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then a new lower low. So the market is trying to come and create a resistance level around here. So if we should draw our resistance level from the beginning of this move, let's put out all of our major resistance level. It will be, the first one will be around here, resistance. Then the market pulled back into this level. You see, it broke out from structure from here now. From this level, we created a support, resistance, resistance. And currently, we don't have a major resistance level yet because this was the resistance level that caused this support. Let me just identify all of the support also. This was the support level here. This is a support level here. So because this one happened in the past, let's remove all of this. I'm just trying for educational purpose. I just want you to know where I am coming from. So let's remove these previous levels here. Let's be more concerned on the current market structure. So on the current market structure, we have our support level here. Let me extend it to the future. And then when we got a breakout from this support level, where is the resistance that caused this breakout? We have it right here. This is the major resistance on GBP JPY. So the market is like created now, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low. So if we have a new lower low, that means the market is still trending down. We have our major resistance level here, and the current higher lower low here, this is the major support level. We don't know if this will be the major support level yet because the market can actually just get to this point now and start pushing back upside. Then we'll start again from the beginning of how we try drawing our support and resistance level from here. We just try to do it. We just do it all over again when the market changes its face. So if this is our resistance, this will now be our new lower low, and this is the major support level that the market broke out. Currently, the market is trading around this major support level. So this is on a daily time frame. Let me just give a quick glance on the 4-hour time frame. How I also spot out my support and resistance level on the 4-hour time frame in order to help those of you that do not like trading from the daily time frame, that like the 4-hour time frame instead. All you just have to do is simply come into the 4-hour time frame. look at the current chart, see what the market is doing. If I should draw my support and resistance level on this 4-hour time frame right here, as you can see, the market is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, high, and a new low, coming back to create a lower high and just to pull back into the most recent low. So if I should draw my major support level from here now, this was our last support level when the market was coming down from this level and it got to this point. This was where the breakout happened, all down to the point. Remember, I always tell you guys to wait for a proper move. So if you want to start trading that, oh, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, the market has changed it to an uptrend from here because you got a breakout, you are wrong. You are 100% wrong. Like I said, that is why 90% of traders fail. You just want to see a proper move. The market move in ways. You should be patient. You don't have to hurry. Oh, I'm missing this trade. Let me chicken in or chicken out of the trade. No, you just be patient. When the market created this breakout, I knew that there was going to be an impulse move, and then I'm also going to see a pullback into structure level. So if I want to identify where is the high that caused this breakout, it was not here. It was not here. This was where it started from. I'll just identify the high here. So now I have a resistance level here, a support level here, and the most recent low here. Once you are able to identify that, oh, this is my correct support and resistance level, every other thing you want to do that, now you already know the direction of the market. Every other thing you want to do, be it a break and retest strategy, you trade breakout, SMC, any strategy you trade, it will be much more easier for you to take the sell trade and ride the trade, knowing that, oh, the market is actually coming down here, unless our resistance level has just been broken. So, like I said, I hope this video helps you to understand, find and draw a perfect support and resistance zone so that you can stop drawing the wrong ones that causes you to lose trade because you are not drawing it from the right support and resistance zone. So after watching this video that I'll be posting any moment from now, you should understand exactly how to draw your major support and resistance level. Even if you want to trade, you are a day trader, you want to trade from the 1-hour time frame, there's always structure to draw out your support and resistance level. If you can see on the 1-hour time frame here too, the market was creating support, support, resistance, support, resistance, current support, and then we don't know if this is a resistance yet until the market breaks the most recent uh, support level. So you can see even on the 1-hour time frame, there is support, major support and resistance level. There's a lot of noise on this 1-hour time frame. That is why I don't like drawing my major support and resistance level from the 1-hour time frame. I mostly do it from the daily and the 4-hour time frame. Well, I honestly want to make this video very short so I can be able to post it on the Telegram channel for you guys because we haven't gotten a YouTube channel yet. So for now, I'll just be sharing these values to you guys here every week. I'll try to come up with, talking about candlesticks, support and resistance, swing high, swing low. Just be dropping educational videos for you guys every week, hopefully every Friday. And if you actually find value on this video, kindly just react. We don't have a YouTube channel yet. Like I said, I would have asked you guys to smash like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and all that. But since we don't have, let me just be posting it on the Telegram channel here. So if you find value on this trade, you can just you can like this for me, as this would help and motivate me to keep making this type of educational videos for you guys. So if that is it, see you on the next video. Peace out.